Okay. Oh no. Oh no, it's falling. Oh no.
His lips are soft. You wanna try? Hello. Oh my gosh, it's kind of scary.
Yeah, he bald.
Yeah. It's so little. This is where we take a shower. There's no door.
How about the floors?
Oh yeah, the floors are heated. So whenever I'm standing in here, it's nice. When I want to go here, it's cold. This is the bathroom. It has the same door as the other room. It's a tiny sink. Oh no. Did you just hit your head on the thing? Is that the fireplace or no?
No, it's down there.
That looks scary. Tonight, what are you cooking? Grilled cheese and tomato soup. Tomato.
Where's the onion?
Oh, sorry. Oh, in there.
Oh, it goes into the tomato soup?
Yeah. It's not that spicy. What's going on over here?
Toasting their bread and putting butter in.
Okay. It goes. How's it going?
It's going.
Got a lot in there. Sun. That's so cheap.
Moments later.
Oh no, it's falling.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
I'll just show you the results after they're done cooking. This is the grilled cheese. See that little cheese pole? This is the soup. It's gonna be my first time having tomato soup. Good morning, world. Good morning, Rosalie. Good morning. Today we're going to explore the whatchamacallit. What are we doing today?
We're gonna visit the horses.
We're gonna visit the horses. Whoa, look at all those random splotches. Those are all poo, right? I'm gonna go close to this guy. He looks kind of skinny. Honey brought some carrots and we're gonna go feed the horse. Who's brave enough to do it?
Oh, it smells the carrot.
Oh, hello! He's drooling, or he just drank water.
I'm not brave, Helen. You are. Do it for the area. Do it for the TikTok.
Keep your fingers together, flat. I can't give it like this.
No. He might bite your fingers off.
I'm scared!
Oh no, I can't do it. You did it.
Keep your fingers closed.
I'm scared. Does someone else do this first? Can I just put it on again then?
His lips are so soft.
You're trying to...
Oh no, it fell.
You can kick it.
Kick it like carrot. There you go.
So
Look how wet my hand is.
I have sanitizer. Oh my gosh.
His lips are soft. You want to try?
Lips are soft?
Yeah. Oh
no.
no. You want some more? He's smelling the ones on the floor.
Okay,
Hello. Oh my gosh. You're gonna hurt your neck, sir. Hamza, why are you running away?
I'm running away and they get scared.
Look, this guy's following us. Hello, horse.
Don't have your hair out there.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Oh my gosh. It's so dark and scary. Oh my gosh, I look so scary. It is pitch black. Pitch black. When I put the lights away, it's like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is kind of scary. We're going to make a campfire and roast some marshmallows. We're gonna do some s'more stuff. Piper. She's over there. Oh my gosh, she scared me. Hi, kitty cat. She's over here. Where?
Hi, ma'am.
Oh, hello.
I got the matches here.
Oops.
6, 5, 3, 2, 1. That's like burning through the.
You can put tissue inside that wood.
That might help actually here. Maybe if I like. Oh, I just burned it. Oh my god, sorry.
Moments later.
Grab your sticks. Like that. Are you gonna put only one? Sandwich it in between. I gotta put it in the fire. Don't make sure it doesn't burn.
Put this. Where do I put this? Here. Oh, can I have one? I just didn't get one.
How's it taste? Oh, good.
Good.
Good? Yours not ready yet?
I was gonna say something.
I kind of burnt this one. It looks like tree bark. I'm gonna eat this side. This side's too burnt. Tastes good.